Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and design an awesome and beautiful business proposal that looks like this. Hi, this is Neil Tan. Now first of all, please make sure you install Canva. And once you install Canva, go ahead and open it. Once you open it, make sure you have an account and sign in. Now once you sign in, what we're going to do here is that we want to search for a template. Okay, so let us go and tap on this search bar here. Tap on that and let us search for business proposal. Okay, then tap on the search button here, search it, and here you can see there are a list of business proposal templates that you can choose from. So for my case, I'm going to select this one. All right, I'm going to tap on that, and now I'm going to show you how to do some basic editing here. So very simple. All you got to do is you can see the text here. I will always suggest that you can just change what is inside the template. If you want to add in new things, yes, you can add in like new elements or new images. That's optional. But let me show you some basic editing here. Here you can see some text. You can just tap on the text and you can just double tap it and change it. Example, and December 2022. Okay. So I want to actually make this text in one line. So I just tap on this bar here. You can see it. Just tap and hold it and just pull it. Just pull it like this. You can see that. You can pull like this. And let's say if you did something wrong, you made a mistake, you can always tap this back arrow key here to undo it. You can undo it and you can redo it. All right. So this will save your life a lot. And next you can just tap on this and change the text and then change the text. So I'm going to remain default, but let's say if you want to change the color of the text, let us tap on this business marketing here. And here you can see there is the A icon here. You're going to tap on that to change your text color. Example, I'm going to use purple. You see that? You can change it to other color. You can change the Tiffany blue or orange. Okay, so for now, I'm going to just remain black. Now, if you want to make the text larger or smaller, you can see there is a small little circle shape right above on the left-hand corner of this text. You go to tap on it, and you can actually adjust it, make it larger, smaller, like this. Okay, so I'm going to just tap on this undo button to undo it. And if you want to change the font, you can change the font. Let's tap on the font, and here you can see there are a lot of different fonts that you can use. Example, I can use Poppins Extra Bold. Okay, or I can use TT Corals Black, like this. You see that? So the font changes accordingly. So I'm going to tap undo again, undo, back to the normal one, to the original font. Yeah, now next is, you might wondering how to actually add this dark gray box here. So all you're going to do is just tap on this plus icon on the bottom left corner. Tap on that. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you want to tap on elements. You see on the bottom here, tap on elements. And here you can see there's a square box here. Now if you don't see the square box here, you can just search for it. Okay, let's say you want to search for it, square. And there, tap on the square element. You can drag around like this. Okay, you can actually just drag it like this. See that? You can drag it like how large or how small you want. Okay, like this. So this is how you add a box behind this text. Now next is how to change the color of the box. Okay, let us tap on the box, and here you can see the color. Let us tap on color. And here you can change the color if you want. So let's say I'm going to change to dark gray, like this. Alright. And of course here, as usual, you can always change the text if you want. Change the text, change the color and everything, just like the top that I've showed you earlier. And done. Now let's say if you want to go to the next page, alright, to edit it, because there are about 6 pages, okay? There are 6 pages. By the way, if you want this template, I can actually put this template link down below in the description. Alright, you can go ahead and check it out. Now, once you've done your page number 1, now you can proceed to your page number 2. Okay, so let's double tap on it and you can open the page number 2. Now, what we're going to do here is, let's say you might wondering how to actually upload your own image here. Okay, all you're going to do is just tap on this plus icon on the bottom left corner. Okay, here you can see you can actually upload your images to Canva. You can tap on uploads. And here you can see that I have all the images that I've uploaded previously in the past. But let's say if you want to upload new images from your phone directly, so I'm going to tap on this upload files here. And here you can choose photo library, take photo or video on the spot, or choose the files. Now I'm going to go to my photo library, and here I got a few images that I've prepared here. And let's say I'm going to use this image. I'm going to add, and you can see it is uploading right now. Okay, I'm going to tap on that, and voila. So this is how you upload your image. Okay, let us delete it. You can delete this by tapping on the trash icon. All right. Now let's say I want to find other images, other photos that is available in Canva library. Okay, so let us go and tap on the plus icon again. At the bottom there, let us swipe to the left. Okay, swipe to the left, and you can see photos here. Let us tap on photos, and here you can see there are a lot of photos here. You can see search millions of photos. So there are millions of photos available for you to pick. So you can choose any of these photos. Now let's say I'm going to search. Okay, let's say we're going to tap here and search. I'm going to search for white office. So there are a lot of white office here. And let's say I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to drag into this part here. Okay, I'm going to upload. I'm just going to drag and drop into it because there is a frame over there. There's a frame there where you can just drag and drop. How to add a frame? Okay, there are good questions that people may ask. How to add that frame? Okay, let's go and tap on this plus icon, and let us go to elements here. Tap on elements. Here we're going to search for frames. All right, you can scroll down and look for frames. Otherwise, you can actually search here frames. Either it's called frames or it could be grids. You can choose either one of them. So let's say I'm going to use frames, and here you can see this frame. I'm going to tap on that. You can see this. Okay, I can move it anywhere here. Now let's say if I want to move forward, okay, I want to cover this text. I do not want the text to be in front. I want this frame to be in front. Okay, so how to do that? So first of all, you might want to tap on the image first. Okay, make sure you tap on it until you see there is these 4 little circles appear. Then here at the bottom there, you're going to swipe to the left and look for position. Okay, you're going to tap on position, and here you can see you have the forward, top, middle, bottom, right, center, left, backward. So here I'm going to tap forward, and you see now the frame is in front of the text. Now I'm going to upload an image. Okay, same thing. Let us tap on the plus icon here, and here we're going to search for image. Okay, let us go and scroll to the left, and you're going to look for photos here. Let's tap on photos. Okay, same thing. Select any photos that you want. I'm going to tap on this, and I'm going to drag. And you can see drag and drop into the frame. All right, so this is how you add the frame and how you add your image into the frame. Okay, now let's go and delete this frame, or otherwise you can just replace the frame here. Okay, I'm going to replace it like this. Okay, this is one of the example. You can do that. Voila. All right, magic. So I'm going to just delete this. And again, if you want to go to page number 3, let us click on the background here, the empty space background here. When you just tap on the empty space background, everything will be minimized until you can see this page number. There are 6 pages, so they will be shown 6. If there are 10 pages, it will show 10. So I'm going to tap on that, and you can see all my other pages. Okay, so now you can go ahead, try to edit it each and every page, or you can edit using other templates or other designs. It's your choice based on your preferences. Now let's say if you have any questions and you have some difficulty that you may have or some obstacles that you're facing, please let me know in the comment down below. Leave a question down below, let me know, and I'll try my best to answer them, or I can create a video to talk about that. Alright, so go ahead, leave a comment down below of this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please share this video to your friends, to a family member, to a colleague. And don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel and all my social media. And of course, last but not least, please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.